Top 8 high paying freelancing jobs in India. Number 1, web design and development. Web designing and development is one of the most popular freelancing jobs. Small startup companies hire freelance web designers as they are inexpensive compared to full-fledged agencies. As a beginner freelance web designer, you may not earn that well, but as you gain experience, you can command better prices. Nowadays, several freelance web designers are also specializing as UI designers, which has become a key skill for the web design and the app development. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of freelance web designers in India is around 40,000 per month. Number 2, writer. Freelance content writers are always in demand as the digital world is constantly growing. If you are someone who loves to write, then you can become a freelance content writer. There are several various types of freelance writing that you can do, like writing articles, blogging, copywriting for ads and PR, marketing, research work, and ghostwriting. Freelance content writers in India are approximately earning between 30,000 to 40,000 per month. Number 3, social media management. As a social media manager and coordinator, you would be required to manage all social media platforms including Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. To start as a social media manager, you should have some experience as you will manage and track all social media accounts of your clients. You should know how to engage and deal with people and have serious organization and communication skill. The estimated monthly salary of freelance social media manager according to Ambition Box is 30,000 per month. Number 4, software developer. Software developers are in demand in this digital era. Every businesses nowadays needs a strong presence online, whether through a website or an mobile app. You can specialize in various domains like Android developer, PHP developer, game developer, and Java developer as a freelance software developer. To earn more as a software developer, you need to be familiar with the most popular coding languages like Java, JavaScript, Ruby, etc. A freelance software developer in India on average can earn 50,000 per month according to Glassdoor. Number 5, graphic designing. You can also do freelance graphic designing if you have a flair for creativity and loves to make graphic on Adobe Photoshop. As a freelance graphic designer, you are required to create all necessary graphics for electronic and print media like posters, banners, art and illustrations, logo designs, etc. It would be advantageous if you have done a professional course and have some experience as a graphic designer. A freelance graphic designer in India on average can earn 40,000 per month. Number 6, search engine optimization. SEO is a way to make businesses rank better on Google for keywords related to the website content. To start working as an SEO freelancer, you must always stay updated with the Google's latest updates, algorithms, and SEO techniques. As SEO personnel, you should know thoroughly about keyword research, competitive analysis, on-site analysis, and link building. According to Ambition Box for SEO, the average monthly salary in India is between 20 to 25,000 per month. Number 7, data entry. Data entry is one of the most popular and easiest jobs for a freelancer. You don't need to be specialist to do a data entry job. You only need a fast typing speed to do ample work daily. As a data entry person, you would be required to complete a certain amount of pages daily within the given time. Average salary for data entry jobs in India is around 15,000 per month according to Glassdoor. Number 8, online tutoring. You can also become a freelance tutor if you have some experience in teaching subjects like English, mathematics, and science, or any other vocational subjects. There are several online tutoring websites where you can sign up as an online tutor. You can work from the comfort of your home and at your own convenience. Online tutors' average salary is between 50 to 20,000 per month according to Ambition Box in India.